Note, if we take the long at 29,757, our stop is going to be at 29,277. Worst case, we can even get a better stop at 29,350. If you're worried about loss, it's still below the last low that we currently have. But our target, first target. Hello everyone, welcome to this analysis with Bitcoin Gorilla on BTC. So BTC is still bullish, mind you, and we are expecting 32k still, despite the up and down movement, choppy move that we're currently having on BTC. So we see that the entire of this week has been choppy, and we see BTC dropping to 29,400 range, clearing the 29,500 support. Now the beautiful thing about this is we had an instant pull up that actually went all the way back to 3380 to 3300 3400 range, but then again it dropped back to 29,500. So currently BTC is trading at 29,928. This is a good opportunity, in my opinion, to actually enter another long for a target of that 32k, because I think that yes, BTC is going to dump, but there's still an opportunity for a little move before the dump occur. And I will tell you why I'm saying this. Now, looking from the daily chart, you can see the beautiful support that the bulls are trying to hold currently at this particular point, right? So this particular support at 29,400 range, it's a very important support because why? There has been a market hunt, and this market hunt was exactly around the price of 29,500. Now this market hunt, what it did is, this is actually market manipulation from market makers, because they clear all the previous long. This will give them opportunity to actually attain the 32k by clearing all the previous short. Remember the last time BTC went to 31,890, close to 31,900, and actually returned back. Now, what I see is an opportunity to take an entry around this 29,700 to 30k range, back to 32k range. So that this is our daily chart with the current you can see the inverted hammer on support. You can see the spinning bottom on support. Everything is currently happening right now on the daily chart. And again, this is another hammer, right? Inverted hammer, spinning top, all happening on support. And I like when I see such thing, especially when there has been just a recent stop loss hunt. So if we come to the 4 hours chart, we see a clear higher low that is currently occurring. So all I need to do is remember, this analysis is done clearly using the empty Pandora's box. So what we see here is a clear fact that the bulls are actually ready to actually attest a much more higher move. Why? Because we're having a higher low, right? So after they cleared this first entry buyers at 29,500, right? Like a W, right? Like this, right? And before they now tumble all the way down, right? Because I actually see September being a month for the BS, but August is likely going to give the bulls opportunity to clear the 32k. But mind you, you want to watch out, because this is going to be like a quick one. They will quickly get to 32k all the way to 32,800. In fact, if they succeed in actually carrying out a move, a measured move. So, what do I mean by a measured move? Now, before the current move that is occurring, we see that BTC did break out, right? And this breakout was a flag, right? Given if the current sideways market is a flag, a bull flag, then they are likely going to have another measured move of the flagpole, right? So if I take this on a flagpole, I will see that BTC, the flagpole, will be around 33,800 to 34k approximately. That will be a measured move of the flagpole if they eventually break out of this flagpole. Now, the beautiful thing about this flagpole is it gives bears the opportunity to kick the bulls down. So for me, I see that from anywhere from 32k to 34k is a high chances. Okay, let me put a little bit of gap. Let me put 32k to 32 to 34 200. We give bulls opportunity for a strong rejection, giving bears opportunity to catastrophically drop them back to 26k, if not going all the way down to 12k. Now, this is going to happen somewhere around September, October. We'll start the real dump on BTC. But currently, right now, I see August giving us opportunity for 32k at least, or somewhere to 34k. So, guys, take note. If we take the long at 29,757, our stop is going to be at 29,277. Worst case, we can even get a better stop at 29,350. If you're worried about loss, it's still below the last low that we currently have. But our target, first target, will be 31,500. The reason is to avoid any rejection. We don't want to get greedy. We take a little bit out of the table, not to lose everything, because I see them pulling back to 3,800 to 3,400 range before they continue. But I do see them breaking that 32k, and we take our next target to 32,200 to 32,400. We take another profit, and then when it gets to 32,800, we take another profit. Now, mind you, if it's extended, yes, we can get 34k, but I'm not staying that open for it. But it's possible, because that is where the gap get to be closed on the monthly chart. I remember Bitcoin Gorilla. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, because I intend making more sharp videos like this. If these videos get more like and views, I'm going to be making more update on BTC like this more often, depending on the reaction that I get from this video. Thank you for watching. Happy trading.
Worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.